Hello everyone! So today we're going to cook spaghetti. It's actually one of the simplest meals that anyone can cook. The first thing to do is break the spaghettis into two. I'm going to add water, a lot of water, to let my spaghetti cook well. Then I'll add salt to taste and some cooking oil, just enough. I'll bring them to boil just for 15 minutes, and please make sure that they don't overcook. So after the set time, I will drain the water, and make sure you drain all the water. I'm going to rinse the spaghetti using cold water. Yeah, this will help them not to to shikana. I know you understand that. After rinsing, I will drain the water, all the water actually, this to prevent them from being soggy. Yeah, and just like that we'll be done with the first part. As you can see, our spaghetti is almost ready. Yeah, so we're going to fry our spaghetti using tomatoes, pili hoho, grated carrots, dhania or coriander, some grated garlic and onions. On a cooking pan, add some oil, just enough depending on how you like your food to be, and then add the chopped onions and let them cook, but you don't really have to wait until they turn to brown. Then you're going to add the grated garlic. You can as well mix with ginger if you like. Stir, then add the tomatoes and let them cook well. When your tomatoes are ready, you can add the pili hoho and the grated carrots. Then let them cook for at least 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add turmeric. You can use any other spices that you have or that you like. And if you find it too dry, you can as well add some little water to make that thick gravy. Then you add some salt to taste. Yeah, and add your coriander. So if you're enjoying watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit that notification bell and choose all so as to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Let's now add the boiled spaghetti to the stew, and just ensure that you mix them well. Keep on mixing them for at least 2 minutes and your spaghetti will be ready. And our food is ready. As you can see, it looks so yummy, it's so delicious, and we're going to serve it with meatballs. The video for the meatballs will be released on Friday, so keep tuned. Drop a comment about this video, give it a like, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and yeah, mob love. Tuonane Friday. Bye bye.